Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the short tutorial, I'll teach you how to open and close tabs on MacBook with keyboard shortcut. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Firstly, open the Safari browser on your MacBook. If you want to open a new tab, press Command plus T on your keyboard. Here the new tab will appear on your Mac browser. And if you want to close the tab on your MacBook, then press Command plus W keys. The browser tab will disappear from your MacBook screen. Now if you want to force quit the browser, then click on Safari at the top left corner of the menu. Here scroll down and tap on Quit Safari in the drop down menu. That's all for today's video. Like our video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.